I have also used to be able to kind of find the way out of time that we would compass. Yeah, so that's right. First, the winter boundary instance is the one of the inspiring. That would usually only person. That's why we like it. And we check the logistics. We can really move on to the unit steps. 8 GB of disk space, and we got to come back to balance. Let's find these two instances of it. So our instance is ready as a very first. It's running. You want to find the button. Then you are connected to the instance, right? I'm going to go for root privilege, CDSA, and I'm going to run simple commands. It's available in the animal. So first, update the unit. And then get a repo file, it's a EPC. Download those files. Then I'm going to run these three commands. As the border. Okay, then I'm going to start the MongoDB. It's starting the MongoDB and then we can go down the road so that I don't have to kind of like restart it. My server is closed down to log in. Okay, then I'm going to log in this yeah, we have then it is connected to the host database. We're going to use admin and then we're going to create a role user. Okay, so we can switch the it will ask for the password, we have to put the password. So the user has been created, role good, data is created. Exit. I'm going to restart. Okay, now this is okay. I'm going to again edit the MongoDB config file. You get two things here. First of all, I'm going to MongoDB bind IP to like 0, 0, right? So that I can connect it from anything. And then inside the security, we want to enable authentication. So authorization enable. That's good. Now we're going to restart again. Now we want to try to see if we can connect it. See, we're going to check pass through. That's fine. Great. Now we want to connect it to our Mongo compass. And then as we do, copy the IP address, it's IP address of the instance. So there we will have a new connection from the local part, replace with the IP address. And then in the advanced connection section, authentication. Which is the username. What the username? Two username is natural user. The password that is stored in the database is type. Now save the format. Yeah, there it is. It's connected. The new database. And we're going to actually do that person. We can now close this connection. Then we will connect to and we can also register here. So that means it's authentication enabled, and we can benefit from our compass. Also, we can benefit from our terminal, and we also can and let's go. Now we can control by actions using the security group, right? We put the security groups, and here we go to the details of the security group. I will see that I have enabled the port of 017 open for anyone. But now, if I want to restrict it, let's say I want to restrict a particular IP address. Let's say let's say this is the virtual it's an IP address and I will take another particular IP. Then now and I was choose percent, I will not be able to find because my IP is not open. And anyone, no one can connect to the DNS system. So this is kind of a story. That means if I have to connect to the database, I can just what is my IP, and when the work is done, I will just do my IP so that my server is really secure. Try to run. Even though I have used the password data, this is another level of security. which you can apply to make your database server more secure. And alternatively, you can always like put it inside a private subnet, and then you can only connect with the Western host. That is also possible. So that being said, this is the purpose of the video that I installed MongoDB from Amazon Linux MongoDB, and then I set up everything. I set up the authentication process, and also I connected with Mongo Compass. That being said, thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. Please share. Thank you.